thanks for watching Johnny and Zoe today. We got this giant roller coaster.
It's called the Sky Sprinter by NEX. And how tall is it, buddy? Do you remember?
Over 7 feet.
Over 7 feet tall.
That's bigger than my dad.
That's huge, man. That's really tall. You said your cousins came to town and they helped you build it. And so it's built inside.
I didn't really build it.
You didn't do any? Didn't you help a little bit?
Yes, just a teeny bit. Like maybe this much.
Did you really help or no?
I did.
You did?
I think so.
You think so? Okay. Well, it's inside, so let's go play with this. What do you think of this, dude?
I like it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, if you're gonna do a scale 1 to 10, what would you say?
11.
Whoa. Okay, stand up next to it. I don't think the kids totally know how tall this thing is. Stand next.
It's over 7 feet.
Stand right next to it. Okay, so Johnny's pretty tall for his age, and it goes way up there. Dude, that's pretty cool.
It's over you.
It's over me. So my head goes right here. I'm about 6 feet tall, and then they added the flag to make it extra super duper tall. So if there's any other Connect sets you'd like us to demo on Johnny and Zoe or Epic Toy Channel, let us know about it in the comments below. Hey, there's a roller coaster. It's 6 feet in diameter, 6 feet across. It's huge. Wouldn't that be cool? So kids, if you want us to do another Connect set, type Connects in the comments below and let us know which one we should do.
Okay, thanks for watching Johnny and Zoe.
That's right, this is Johnny. Johnny's sister Zoe, I'm Justin. We'll see you guys next time. Ow, ow.